Whether fitting electrical accessories or repairing a wiring harness, it can be a real problem trying to pass wires or cables through from the engine bay or boot into the passenger compartment. The harness grommets are designed to seal against dirt and water ingress, and getting another wire through there can be quite a challenge. But not with the new wire insertion toolkit from Laser Tools. This is a 4-piece tube set with a hollow screwdriver type handle. 2 widths and 2 lengths are supplied, covering a wide range of cable and harness section diameters and enabling access in tight areas, therefore letting you slide a wire or cable through the tool to the other side. Now let's give it a try. Carefully push the tube through the grommet. The angle on the end of the tube lets you ease it through without damaging the grommet or the wiring. Now all you have to do is push the wire or cable through the tool. It's as easy as that. Slide the tool back out, leaving the wire in place. The wire insertion tool is also very useful when using the inspection camera. It offers the camera probe a smooth and safe passage into tight areas that may damage or obstruct the probe. A very versatile tool. When carrying out wiring harness repairs, it can be a real struggle passing a new wire through box sections or behind trim panels. Automotive wire has to be flexible, but it is just not rigid enough to pass through longer sections. This will solve the problem. Laser's new wire guide tool is 1 meter long, rigid enough to maintain its shape, but still very flexible. The wire is simply hooked around the loop, which will hold it secure as we pass the wire guide through the inner section of this rear hatchback panel. The wire guide is steadily pushed through the inner panel work. Its flexibility lets you guide it past any obstructions. And its 1 meter length is very useful for these larger panel sections. Now carefully pull the guide and the wire through the section and the job is done. Both the wire guide tool and the wire insertion toolkit are ideal when adding accessories like tow bars or even solar roof panels in your camper van. When you have to add or repair wiring, make it a professional job with Laser Tools.